Good afternoon, everyone. Bitcoin Cash US dollar. Is this a double bottom? A much bigger one. We talked about one on the 4-hour chart yesterday, and we'll zoom in on that again at the end of this video. But Jake asks us if this was a double bottom using the low on September 15th, the high on September 19th, and the low on the 9th of October. Yes, this fits into a double bottom pattern, but it is not a high probability one that we will trade as a double bottom. And I will tell you why. It fits into our parameters that the bottoms are close enough, and this is a nice peak. Even though it's extended, it can be lopsided like this. That is fine. Double bottom is a reversal pattern, and we look for the move that started the reversal. So this, from here, the clear path started the reversal. Our first profit target is 735, which is above the move that started the reversal, so that is not a high probability. Even the stop reduction is above the candle bodies that started this move. So there are many stopping points that could prevent it from going here, and it will not trade as a classic double bottom pattern. People might wonder, well, let's take a look at the weekly. See how it plays out on the weekly, because that is valid that it could play out on the weekly. Here are those same things. Here's the peak, and the first target is above the candle bodies. Still not a high probability double for us either on the daily or the weekly time frames. So we will not be considering to trade that. There will be plenty of other trades. There is some nice segments of clear path moves. There'll be rotation trades, there'll be trend line trades, but from our perspective, there will not be a double bottom trade. Checking in on the 4-hour chart, here was the double bottom we talked about yesterday. One low, peak, the other low. The whole move that started this path is this. Even though there's a flat area, this is again a lower probability one because it's against the rotation zone on the daily. We have an extended period of flat area, but we do have a nice pause and a nice down move here. So these will be targets, even if we don't want to trade it as a double bottom, that we can use for other trades along this thing. It has not triggered yet. It would need to close above the 350 level before this would trigger, and it's moving sideways. Now, if it does rotate back down and form a triple bottom, essentially if it gets back down below about this 300 level, it's going to be back in triple bottom range, which is, again, not... You're going to utilize these same targets, and then we'll adjust the trade and look for the next high probability pattern. Also, if this keeps dragging out and just essentially makes a huge sideways channel, this will also then be disqualified as a potential double bottom trade. Jake, hope we answered your questions. Hope you're having a great weekend. We'll chat with you soon. If anybody else has questions on stuff we've covered or stuff they'd like us to cover, please put the comments in on the YouTube channel under the videos, or email us at support@pathtradingpartners, and we will either make a video, answer it in the comments, or get back to you in some way. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.